Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make rainbow Hawaiian mocktail. It's very 3 layers mocktail. First take a shaker glass and add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to add 120 ml of orange juice. Then pour 100 ml of mango juice. And then pour 10 ml of lime juice. Then you have to shake all the ingredients slowly. You have to shake all the ingredients. Then take a Pilsner glass and pour all the ingredients into the Pilsner glass, and then you have to pour 20 ml of grenadine syrup from the top of the glass. Just pour 20 ml of grenadine syrups. Stir it with the help of stirrer so that the 3-layer mocktail will be you can prepare. Then take another glass. Already I am taking brandy balloon glass, and add 10 to 15 ml of blue Curacao syrups. And you have to pour soda into the blue Curacao. And mix soda and blue Curacao with the help of bar spoon. And then you have to slowly pour the blue Curacao and soda on the top of the glass, so that the 3 layers mocktail will be prepared. You can see how the fancy mocktail is ready. And you have to garnish the mocktail with orange slices and mint sprigs, and serve the mocktail with straw. So your mocktail is ready. Very fancy mocktail. You can see the 3-layer mocktail is ready. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video,
ठीक है।